Okay. I just switched this expensive battery with a cheap lawnmower battery in a 2007 Prius. A lot of people are like, oh, you can't do that, you don't want to do that. You know, they're all, you know, pro use the right battery until they reach in their pocketbook, and then things change. All of a sudden that lawnmower battery sounds really good. So I'm going to take a really cheap battery, a TrueStart Lawn and Garden 150 cold cranking amps. It's about $31.99 for this battery. I'm going to replace the $200 or $300, whatever this is, EGM, AGM, or whatever they call it battery. That one, with all the fancy writing on it. I'm going to replace that. The terminals are different. These are flat. And those.
Wait. Okay.
Are round.
Okay.
So, you want to put 1 or 2 2x4s on the bottom so that this battery will be tall enough because it's so short. Oops, that's the wrong way. Let's go this way. There we go. Okay. Got that. Gets a bolt like this. Well, wait a second, it's the wrong one. It's this one. We gotta bend it a little more, like that. Comes through like that. Put a little washer on it. And then you put your nut on it. You don't have to get any new parts. You see? There. There's that. Because I can't put it on if I put the other thing on first. Make sure is that these terminals bolt up and work. And there's a little, well, actually that tab does it rather good. It holds the battery still, right there. That's cool. I like that. Okay, this can go. Ooh, I like that.
It's working?
Yeah, it sparks. It's wanting to go. So we put this there, like that. Put the little square thing on. That. And we put the nut right there. Like that. That looks like it did it. That's it.
All right, well, you're gonna crank it up?
Proper startup is switch on and off twice for battery replacement.